Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the guy with the gray hat. Okay, so in the previous video, I explained what DefZero was and why I was super excited about that. In this video, I'm going to explain the tools that we're creating, and we will be creating other tools as well to help the community and also help customers. The first one is the domain analysis tool. I'm going to explain domain analysis tool in this video, but the file armor tool, I'm going to create another video for it to actually explain it in detail, what it is and how you can use it, right? So a use case, for example, is that you have a security engineer, right? And he wants to check his own domain or your company's domain, right? And he needs to see what's the who is there any leak that's happening with the information that's already been set up by ABC person who was employed before him, right? So they just go to this website, go to domain analysis tools, and what they do is they simply type in the domain. So for now, I'm going to scan DefZero.net. Completely open source, everything that's available online, it actually uses that. So it checks the who is search records, then does an SSL scan to actually see if your certificate is correct, and then it also checks open ports through open source sources, right? So finally what it does is it actually gives you a report in which it basically shows you the output of every part that it did, right? So this actually helps your engineer to quickly see if there is anything to worry about. Like for example, he saw in this case, he saw that, oh, there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ports running, right? And why is that? It's not required. So either he goes to his own server and checks it out. If that's not the case, then what he does is he contacts Cloudflare and asks for why all these ports are open. But for this was just an example, but I know why they're open, because Cloudflare has exit nodes. Like this IP is an exit node, and this might be an exit node for multiple or an entry node for multiple servers, right? Or for multiple websites. So they might be listening on these servers. But again, for this DefZero.net, I am going to go back and I am going to check the server if all these ports are open. If they are, I'm going to close them down. But it was so quick, right? And it was free, right? And so that's the goal. Also, you can use this to scan if there are any alternative names that are already set up, like subdomains that are set up by your dev team, blah blah blah, and then not deleted. So this can be shown here as well. Again, a disclaimer, we assume that you're only doing an open source scan for your own domain or your company's domain, and you're authorized to do so. But if you're not, please, we strongly discourage it. Do not do it. Do not do anything illegal. Of course, you won't find anything in this that is illegal, but still do not do it. We urge you guys to stay legal and have an authorized letter for you guys to actually scan it if you're doing a pen testing gig or whatever. So stay safe. Please subscribe to the channel and also visit our website. It's fun and it also helps customers as well. Go through the blog. There's an old blogs. They are quite interesting and they're still relevant, and check it out. And if you have any comments, please comment below. Have fun. Peace.